Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create menus in Elementor. So firstly what you have to do is just simply install a plugin. So for doing that, just simply go to plugins, then search Elements Kit, then enter. Then you will find Elements Kit. Just simply click on that, then just simply install and activate. So after activating the plugin, just simply go to pages, then go to your home page and click on edit with Elementor. Then after you're inside your website, just simply scroll down. Over there, just simply click on this icon, then go to selection over here, then click on category drop box and choose header. So over here you will find multiple headers, so you can choose one of them. So let's go with this one. So just simply click on insert. So within a few seconds the header will be inserted into your website. So now the first thing that you have to do is just simply go to settings over here, then in page layout choose Elementor full width. So now just simply again go back down. So now as you can see, our header is in full width. Now over here you can change the logo if you want to, just simply by choosing a logo and then insert a media, and the logo will be changed. You can also increase or decrease the size of the main menu. You can also change all the icons over here. So for selecting the main menu, just simply click on the gray area over here, and this little menu will open up. Over here, just simply in the selection menu, just simply choose one of the menus that you have created and the menu will appear. You can also make a lot of changes in the style, and you can also make more changes in the advanced section as well, like margin, padding, width, size, position, and etc. So that's it. That's how you can add a menu to your website with Elementor. So thank you for watching, and do like and